Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Joycey, your maths teacher. I hope everyone is fine and safe at your home. Right children? Okay. Children, we revised one lesson in the last class. Do you remember? Yes, we have revised the last lesson, that is the concept of multiplication. I hope you have practiced this lesson very well. Okay children? So today let us revise the 7th lesson, that is handling data. Do you know children what is meant by handling data? Yes, handling data means gathering and recording information and then presenting it in a way that is meaningful to others. Tell me children, what is data? Yes, data is a collection of information gathered by observation, questioning or measurement. We have different methods for representing data. In this lesson, we have learned one method for representing data, that is pictograph. Tell me children, what is pictograph? Yes, a pictograph is a way of showing data using images or pictures. The advantage of using a pictograph is that it is easy to read. Any information which is represented through pictures. A pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols. So today we are going to revise this lesson, that is handling data. So let us discuss some exercise problems from this lesson. Children, let us solve the first question. This pictograph shows the number of animals in Richard's farm. Let us see how to solve the questions based on this pictograph. The first question, how many goats are there? See children, here we can see 4 goats. So there are 4 goats in Richard's farm. The next question, which animal counts to 2? Yes, pig. The third question, how many chickens are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chickens. The next one, how many cows are there? See children, there are 3 cows. The next question, which animal is fewest? Yes, horse. The last question, how many animals are there in the farm? See, to find out the total number of animals, we have to add the number of animals in this farm. That is the number of goats, cows, chickens, horse and pig. That is, we have to add 4 goats plus 3 cows plus 5 chickens plus 1 horse plus 2 pigs. That is, we have to add 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. That is, there are 15 animals in Richard's farm. See children, in this way we can solve problems using pictograph. Children, let us solve the next question. Look at the pictograph and fill in the blanks. In this pictograph, we can see birds, dinosaurs, butterfly and ants. So let us solve the following questions. How many birds? See, there are 7 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write here 7. The next question, how many dinosaurs? See, there are 4 dinosaurs. So let us write here 4. The third question, how many butterflies? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 butterflies. The fourth question, how many ants? See children, here we can see 4 ants. So let us write here 4. I told you that a pictograph is a way of showing data using images or pictures. Let us solve one more problem. Here you can see some tops, balls, rackets and bats. Look at the items and fill the table. So let us fill this table. Okay. So how many tops are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 tops. So let us write here 6. The second one, how many balls? Yes, here we can see 2 balls. So let us write here 2. The third one, how many rackets are there? See children, let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 rackets. So let us write here 9. The last one, how many bats are there? See children, there are 5 bats. So let us write here 5. See children, in this way we can solve problems using pictograph. I hope you have understood today's class. Today we revised the lesson handling data. In this lesson we have learned about pictograph. Pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols. The advantage of using a pictograph is that it is easy to read. This is one of the way of representing data. I hope you have understood how to solve problems using pictograph. See children, I have attached one test paper along with this video. So all of you attend the test paper and send it. See children, study well and practice well. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.